Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set goals inside MyFitnesspal. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on the important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into this video. Alright guys, open up MyFitnesspal on your mobile device. And then you'll be brought to your dashboard. And now what you want to do is click onto more, bottom right hand corner of your page here. And then from here, scroll down. Make sure you're logged in as well. Scroll down and click onto goals. Alright, as you can see, I've already pre-filled this out. In the past, I want to lose 8 kilos. I want to go from 93 kilos to 85. But my starting weight here was 97.5 kilos, 23rd of May 2023. So what you need to do, if say, for example, I want to lose 10 kilos, so I'm going to put in my starting weight here. And now change this to 93 kilos and then also change the date to today's date. All right, I've changed it to today's date and now I'm going to click on OK. And now I'm going to set that. So as you can see, starting weight, my current weight is 93 kilos. My goal weight is 85 kilos. And now if you've got a weekly goal in mind, if you want to lose 1 kilo per week, half a kilo, 0.25, if you're in a different country, it might be pounds. So just adjust the pounds or kilos depending on your location. And then also your activity level. You want to change your activity level to suit what you actually do. So I'm going to, as it says here, are you sure? This will recalculate your calorie and nutrient goals, which will overwrite any custom settings. Would you like to continue? Yes. So choose which one best describes you. So your activity level. So have a read through each one of these. So for my situation, I'm going to have active. Because I go to the gym 4 times a day. I love to keep active and do lots of walks and joggings and that. So I'm just going to keep it as active. Now I'm going to set this. But if you don't do too much activity, click on lightly active or not very active, etc. All right, I'm going to set this. Now if we scroll down, you can add in your fitness goals, workouts per week, minutes workout. So I do 4 gym sessions a week. And then minutes worked out, probably about 75 minutes per workout. And if you got the premium version of MyFitnessPal, you can also put in your exercise calories and show goals by meals, etc. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. How to set goals inside MyFitnessPal. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.